Here's a quick unboxing of the new Spacepod EXO from Mission XV. Today we're going to take a look at the Moon variant. In the box, you have your Spacepod EXO and authenticity card. It features a completely clear PCTG EXO core surrounded by an EXO shell, available in various materials. The innovative curved gasket makes removing the glass a breeze. Also in the box are spares, including an extra gasket and 2 O-rings. The Spacepod EXO will come in Moon, Red Planet, Milky Way, and Dark Matter variants.